This exquisite premium quality luxury headband must be one of my all-time favorite headpieces that we have ever created with our team. These petals took weeks to craft and put together, each and every single one of them covered with exquisite 5A cubic zirconia crystals. The whole headband is genuine platinum plated that prevents it from tarnishing, so that you can keep it and enjoy it for longer and enjoy that exceptional sparkle. I absolutely adore this design. It is a little bit more whimsical. The gorgeous petals, they're actually leaves, but they almost look like little butterfly wings. So if you are into butterflies or the nature theme for your wedding, if you are having a wedding in a garden or setting, or in a breathtaking villa, or maybe even on the beach, then something like this could just be elevating your bridal gown and lifting you up to the highest heights for you to feel exquisite, like a goddess, as you walk down that aisle feeling majestic. Let me know what you think. Would you wear this on your big day? I can't get enough of it. It's one of my favorites at the moment. I love, love, love it. Let me know what you think. And perhaps take a look at our full range at My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy, and let us know if you can help in any way. I love connecting with you and helping you find that headpiece that truly makes you radiate love, beauty, and joy. And I really believe that every single woman out there is beautiful, majestic, and exquisite, unique inside. Let me help you find that and bring that out of you, so that you feel confident, invincible, and powerful. It's about the time that women claim their power and claim their glory as the divine goddesses that we all are. Sending you so much love, and let me know if you are resonating with me, vibing with me, or loving any of our designs. If you have any questions, if you need any help, we are here to help. So please reach out, and it will be my absolute pleasure. Sending you so much love. Have a beautiful day.